Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. So I'm moving into a new house. So today is gonna be an amazing day. I have got this new house again in Cambridge, in Canada. So I'm gonna give you an whole house tour on how many bedrooms and washrooms and what is the carpet and everything inside out of my new house. So let's get it started. So follow me. So guys, come. So this is the entry place wherein you enter the house, and this is basically where we're gonna keep our shoe racks. Then we have this place to keep jackets, to keep winter shoes if it's winter season, summer shoes and fall shoes. So as the weather changes, to keep the shoe storage and also fall jacket, winter jacket, different type of as per the season. So this is the first storage. So we're gonna remove the shoes because we have carpet all for the house. That's the thing which I like personally. Some people don't prefer carpet because it's really heavy to maintain. But if you come to Canada, the best thing about Canadian houses are carpets. So let's go. So guys, follow me. So this is my first room. So we have a finished basement. So we have this room finished perfectly fine. So this is our backyard. Very pretty backyard. And we have townhouses, so we have connected backyards. As you can see, today morning it was snow. So we have some sprinkles of snow around my backyard. So we have one storage over here, the important room. This keeps our house hot when it's really cold outside in the winters, so it protects us from minus 20-30 degrees Celsius and also wind speed. But it also protects us when it's really hot sunny sky. When we are exhausted, it keeps our house cooler also. It's also an air conditioner when we need it, an air conditioner. And if we switch to an heater, it helps to heat the house. Guys, this works on a centralized temperature control system wherein we get temperature from one digital clock, and we can control the temperature of the whole house. And there are also small ducts here. And also, if let's say for example we have just turned on the centralized system wherein you get your air conditioner and also the heater. So these are the small ducts that are placed all around the house, which helps us to maintain our temperature of the house from a one centralized zone. Then this room has a connected garage, so if anyone wants to drive in and just enter the room, they can enter this room. If that guy wants to live over here, a storage place. So now let's go in the hallway. Guys, this is our hallway. There's a beautiful window through which you can see it's pretty sunny today, so you can see the sun over here. That's like also one of the tricky thing of Canada. In the morning it was like snow and really windy, but right now it's so sunny and so hot. So that's like the fusion of Canada. It comes with cold and hot together. So next thing I'm going to show you to you guys is the kitchen. So guys, we have a kitchen, 4 furnaces. It's an electrical furnace where you can cook. Guys, this is the oven where you can bake things, bake cookies, chocolate, or if you want to bake amazing pastas, lasagnas, that's perfectly suited for that. Then we have. We have really good spacing for our kitchen. That's like the thing. have a beautiful refrigerator. It's brand new. It's really untouched. So we're gonna be the first one to move into this brand new untouched house. So everything is new. Then we call this an island, kitchen island, where you can wash your vessels through the tap. And also we have a dishwasher. After everything is washed, to give it a final touch through, you can use the dishwashers. This is the place where we can eat. I'm planning to get a dining set which really works well. Also goes with the color and blends with the theme. So guys, this is the half bathroom. Now you guys must be thinking, what is a half bathroom? So in Canada, whichever bathroom has a bathtub, it's a full bathroom. Whichever like these don't have a bathtub, we call it a half bathroom, where you can use the toilet or you can use the tap. This is what we call in a half bathroom. So guys, we were on the first floor, which was the kitchen in the hallway. Now we'll go to the second floor where my bedrooms and everyone's bedroom are. So let's go. So this is a big walkway we need to walk. Normally, if you have a finished or if you have a unfinished basement, it's an underground, and then it's a first and second floor. But this has a finished basement and an extra room. So it has the first floor as a dining and hallway, and then on the second floor we have the bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom of the house. Where you can see amazing view. I really love the view of this house. You can see the houses and also the sky. In summer, the skies are really mesmerizing to watch. So that's like you wake up early morning and you see this perfect dreamy view. And that's what the best thing about the house. I really like the view. And it's all carpet. So it's completely carpet, but yeah, it needs a lot of maintenance, and I always make sure everything is vacuumed and everything is picture perfect. So this is the place where you keep your clothes and hang your clothes. So this is like the place where you can keep your clothes around and you can access it really quickly. We call it closet. This is our closet. So this is the second room. It's something similar to the room next doors. It has a really great spacing. Again with really amazing view. That is amazing view. And this is the closet for the another room. This room is really suitable for one person. We also have the fire indicator. A lot of smoke coming due to oil or if things are burned. This siren just rings. And the fire brigade and the cops really arrive in 15 minutes to see the heat of the situation. The funny thing is, where I used to live before, once in a week the fire alarm used to ring, and that was really funny. I still remember a lot of stories. So guys, this is actually a complete bathroom. We have an inbuilt exhaust. Then we have this bathtub over here. We have a toilet. We have things to hang the towel, and this is the tap to wash your hands, and really it comes with a great space so that you can keep your bathroom essentials over here. So this is the walkway of my floor, and on this floor you will find so guys, this is the place to wash your clothes and dry. You can see there are a lot of controls for the washer. You can choose whatever types of wash you want. It's a normal, it's a drain and spin, or a lot of other option. If you have color clothes, there's a special option for that. Specific temperature for washing your clothes. If you have some woolen clothes, you want to make sure that it goes in a specific temperature so that it doesn't shrink at all. Then also, if are you using some softener in the washer clothes. You just have to select the timing. I always go with the 60 seconds, 60 minutes timing, and also just choose which level of dryness you want to do. Just make sure don't make it too dry, or else your chances of your clothes getting shrink increases a lot. Finally, my room, which is the master bedroom. This is also my bedroom slash office where I'm gonna work from home for my IT company. So this is gonna be my place where I'm gonna be most of the time, Monday to Sunday, because I'm gonna work like 8 to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, and then I'm gonna sleep over here. My bedroom slash office. So I'm planning to have my bed a queen size or a king size bed. I'm gonna get my table with a really amazing view. As you can see the trees and you can see the houses, and also a very beautiful sky. So it actually increases creativity, and in working as a designer you really need creative and you really need nature. It's one of the attractive spots which I really love, that I have just my table over here and just keep working and work on new ideas, new thoughts, new products. So this is two closets which I have. This is the one closet. Here I'm gonna have winter stuff like winter jackets and extra sweatshirt which I especially buy for winters. And I'm gonna keep my rollerblades in here because now it's not a good time to rollerblade. So I think my rollerblades are gonna go back to the closet and wait till the next summer. Attached inside washroom for myself. A perfect washroom, and I have a bathtub, a toilet, and a really extra storage for my shaving or extra washroom utensils which I require. So the best thing about the house I really like, it's all white, so that's what I usually prefer. So guys, last thing I'm going to show you is my garage. I think this is a really big garage. You have like 2019 or 2020 Accord or Honda. It really fits because in some of the houses in Canada, if you have a car post 2019, which is 2016-17, those cars can fit in any of the houses, but the new cars are really wide, so you really need a garage for that. So this is really perfectly suited for like after 2019 model. So the electricity stuff. So these are complete switches of all for stoves, main floor, dishwashers. Every electricity is provided. So if I just want to play with my friends and just turn off the switch, so I know when to come. Guys, was an amazing walkthrough. I showed my complete house. Thank you for joining. Brutal snow. So expecting more brutal snow this winter.